It's Eric, the Swiss Army knife, with a review on the Lectric XP 2.0 step-through bike that we just got. And actually, we have two of them. You'll see another one in the background. I love this bike. On a scale of, let's go 1 to 5, I'm going to give it a 4.8. I really like it. I like a lot of features on it, but one thing I'm going to do is show you the unboxing and what to expect from both the bike and the unboxing and when it arrives. First thing I want to do is a shout out to Aaron at Lectric Bikes and Daniel, and also the CEO Gabe. We had a situation where I'd ordered two bikes, and I know that everybody's busy. I'm in manufacturing, so I understand. So they really worked with me in getting this to make sure that we would get this before our trip coming up in a few days, and they did, and they came through. So shout out to you guys. Thank you. That says a lot about your company, your heart, where you're at with, and it's not just about the money, it's about, you know, the enjoyment of the product and customer service, which is huge nowadays. Now they're in Arizona, so a American company, and I want you guys to support them. So right now we're going to unbox the bike, and I want to tell you, just in case you don't get them together, sometimes you will get you get the box, and this is the battery. It comes separate. So I'm going to show you what to do. I think the one thing that's very important that you have yourself is a box knife to cut this up, to open it up. It's rather heavy, so rather than try and turn it upside down or take it out of the box, I just cut all four sides and drop it down. If you're going to be putting this in a truck or a car, save the cardboard and put it as alignment for underneath it. It works out great. First thing I'm going to suggest you would do is to open the battery immediately. Take it out. You get two keys with it. Set it aside, and then dive into the box, the big box, and look for the charger. I'm saying that because if you look for the charger and you start charging it, then you're putting this together. Let's say you're putting it together in the evening, you want to ride it in the morning. Well, this will allow you to do that and get a jump on your charge. So this is the charger. One thing I did notice, this charger gets very warm, but not warm to a problem, just it gets warm, and it's doing a lot. So just plug it in like so, and then it goes in this little hole here. It says DC on it, and you plug it into the wall, set it aside, and you're charging. So I've already done that, so this is good to go. The bike is good to go. I'm going to set it aside. Now for the unboxing. This was rather fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in fast motion, so time lapse, so you won't sit here and watch me painstakingly through it. But I think if you just cut these corners and open it up, you're going to be much happier. And if you notice on my bike, I found our old basket, and I just screwed it with large washers into the back. Now I like the basket that they have with it, and so I would say I'm not discouraging you from ordering one, but I believe it inhibits some of the folding when you're bringing it down. So I haven't confirmed that yet, but maybe some of you can speak to it. But here we go.